Okay, hello dear friends, good afternoon. Such a beautiful, beautiful Sunday afternoon. And this is the other side of the camera angle. Now I turn it to see what we are going to see, okay? Okay, hello dear friends, good afternoon. Such a beautiful, beautiful afternoon. So this is the face camera or the selfie mode. Now I will turn it around and enjoy our Sunday afternoon winner unboxing. winner chicken dinner. Oh, the knife. Okay, here it is, and it's a very big box. Very big box. Okay, the story is that there was in the dead of night, very, very late, and I do not know when. Anyway, there was one time I received an email and asking, I have been to your channel and love what you do, and we have a product, Superclean. Are you interested in testing it out? I do not use cleaning product that much. Windex is what I use, but otherwise I am not so familiar with this. But it doesn't hurt to have a try, right? Anybody who ask people for help, maybe they have something, they have a product need to be known. Anyway, it's a winner. They send me for free, and I ask if you do some payment for making this video, and he said no, we do not make payment, and we only give a free sample for you to test. Fair enough. So I said okay, no problem, I can still do it. So you just understand, sometimes you get paid, and in my case I have never been paid for making video, but this one is another free one. Let's see. Oh my goodness. Oh wow, I will have enough bottle. Superclean tough task cleanser degreaser. Superclean biodegradable detergent, and I checked it from their website. It's in Minnesota. I remember there was another company that called Wilkins, suddenly that name, J.R. Wilkins. J.R. Wilkins was also from Minnesota, and just through the name, Minnesota mine, soda mine. So Minnesota, in my opinion, I'm not American, I'm not from here, so I do have some missing part in American geography and local states and things, but it's kind of interesting. Just by the name you can guess, soda mine. This must be a place that pretty advanced in chemistry, right? Do I make any sense? How do I open it? Oh gosh, so this is not hairspray, okay? I will try it. And sometimes our kitchen counter is so dirty. And this weekend, a couple of days ago, my husband has cleaned, so it's not so dirty. But still we can. Oh, brake, car brake, engine, grill. Ooh, that's good. Wow. And the gasket. We have a million gasket already. Let me see how I look. Okay, let's see how I look with this gasket. Oh, too much sunshine this way. Not bad. So it can pull the hair all away. And also, ooh, I didn't find there is such a good thing. You know, when you hold all the white hair inside, nobody sees your white hair. I can pretend to be young. Gosh. Oh, wow. Yes, do I look young? Okay. Oh my goodness, for a long time I didn't see myself without white hair. Wow. Wow. It is me. Okay, now t-shirt, Superclean. And they ask what size you want. I said medium size. The size medium, so it will be. Oh, that's very soft fabric. Oh, I love it. Wow, very, very soft fabric. That's good. Medium size. Let's see. District. Made in Honduras. Anyway. And this is the product they sent me. Superclean all-wheel cleaner. One. This looks quite comfortable. This must be off. How do I make it on? How do I make it on? Off. Foaming. Oh. Tough task cleaner. Degrees dissolve super fast. I do not know where it put. This one is for wheel. This one is for anything, I think. And this one is must be the same thing, but this is for the foam. This is for the spray, I think. They are all spray. Oh my goodness, they are so generous. Floor absorbent. Absorb, spill, super easy, super fast. Absorbed oil, coolant. Oh, that's good. And other liquid. Let's see what it is. I hope it will not explode. Ready, set, go. Boom! Wow. Floor absorbent. So it absorbs oil and things. It smells a little bit of the cereal, the oatmeal. It smells oatmeal. That's it. So if your floor is wet, you can put it here. And I want to reuse this envelope, so I better make a good job to open it. Superclean. My name is Social Marketing Specialist. She looks a very nice lady, don't you think so? Happy, healthy, and just yeah, very good, very good. Not like I'm sorry, insurance sellers. So insurance sales, $1 million insurance sales, presidential club, and with heavy makeup and looks so pristine. She looks very, very close to us, right? Hello, Jessica. Hello, everyone. Say hello to Jessica. Hello, Jessica. Hello. We love you. You look good. You look happy. You look healthy. You look in good spirit. We love you. Dissolve. Alkyne. Okay, so I will play around with it. Anyway, that's about it. Their packaging is it's quite good. They do pay attention on it. I will check their address. It's in Egan. I don't know. They must be quite advanced in chemistry in Minnesota. Okay. I only know Minneapolis. There is a Grand Prix, the rally or some car race. You have a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful day. I love you. I really do. I am going to try it.